Hey, very good morning, students. Let us look into our very next topic, most repeated patterns in Unit 5. If you see this Unit 5, most repeated patterns, the first question is to design using PAL. So PAL is asked. The next question is sequence detector. Again, sequence detector is asked. The next question is again sequence detector. The next question is PAL. It means, can you see this 2023 mains paper? You get a PAL question and sequence detector. PAL and sequence. Again, 2023 supply paper, you get again a PAL question. It is repeated twice and a sequence detector. Yes, can you see here the sequence is 1101. Here the sequence is 1011. That is the only difference. Clear? Okay. Now, can you see the 2024 CSE main paper? Full adder with PLE, again a PLE design, and distinguish between Moore and Mealy FSMs. So this question, this distinguished question, it is asked in part A. If you see, this is asked in part A as well as in part B. This is a very important question you get in part A also. Next is about PROM. Again, PROM question. Can you see this question is repeated twice? One, design implement full adder using PLA. Next is implement full adder using PAL. So PLA and PAL, one question short. Either it can be PLA or it can be PAL. You will get in your exam. Okay. And next, can you see he has asked about PLA. Okay. And here he has asked about FPGA. And here he has asked about CPLD. So these are the most important questions that you can see. So Unit 5 take home is don't miss PAL, PLA, PROM. Simple CPLDs, and don't miss sequence detector, FPGA and CPLD. These questions are most repeatedly asked. This is your seventh question in your question papers. If you see the seventh question in your question papers, you know seventh question is always a cluster or mixture of all the units, but I could see it is a mixture of only Unit 1 and Unit 5 mostly. Most of the questions are from Unit 1 and Unit 5. 2023 mains. Can you see there was difference between PROM, PAL and PLA. Again, 2023 supply paper, there was draw the structure of CPLD. I said CPLD is important, right? And can you see again 2024 CSE mains, compare between PAL and PLA. It means comparison or differentiation is repeated twice here. Again in 2023 supply paper, they've asked convert 3-bit binary to XS3, but this should be done using PROM. So PROM question is important. And what next? Here they have asked about sequence detector. To detect a sequence 011, sequence detector is important. Can you see the sequence detector is repeated here? Here again it is repeated in this place. And finally last one, what is PROM? Implement the following function using PROM. PROM is also a repeated. So not only in Unit 5 fifth question, but also in the last question you get this Unit 5 questions. So what is important takeaway? Not only 14 marks of part B, you get 14 marks from part B plus additional 5 marks you get in your 4 marks or 5 marks that you get in your seventh question. It is 14 plus 4, 18, and a 2-mark question, 18 plus 2, 20. So Unit 1 and Unit 5 together, if you read only 2 units, Unit 1 and Unit 5, 20 and 20, totally 40 marks you fetch only from Unit 1 and Unit 5. You can see the questions are repeated again and again in all 6 years. So don't miss Unit 1, don't miss Unit 5. Unit 5, very simple, PAL, PLA, PROM, sequence detector, short notes of FPGA and CPLD, and difference between Mealy and Moore model. It is asked in part A, it is asked in part B as a 7-mark question. So if you know the 5 differences or 7 differences, you can write either in part A or part B depending upon the question you get. Okay, so with this I'm winding up. with a takeaway that don't miss unit 1 and unit 5, because both the units are high weightage units, where you get 20 marks for unit 1 and 20 marks for unit 5, totally 40 marks out of 75 marks is from your unit 5. Thank you.